Out came his medical book. The veterinary doctor came out with his medical book and a feverish meaning is in a hurry, reference to index began, and he saw the reference of the medical book, means index of the medical book. Which poison did you say, sir? And he asked from the author that which kind of poison he was asking. Then author said barium carbonate, and the doctors tried to find the barium carbonate page from the medical book. Yes, barium salt, barium carbonate, and at last he found the page of barium carbonate. On that page symptoms are written that these are the paralysis. Then he found the treatment. Then he checked which kind of treatment or what kind of injection he has to give to the Bruno. Just a minute, sir, I'll bring my syringe and the medicine. And then he told author that he would come after taking the syringe and the medicine to inject the Bruno. I dashed back to the car. Dash meaning is ran. Then the author ran back to the car, and in the car Bruno was still floundering meaning is struggling to move about on his stumps, means he was still feeling very weak, that he could not move, but clearly weakening rapidly, and his weakness was increasing continuously. Some vomiting, he was doing vomiting. Heavy breathing, his breathing was not normal, with heavy flanks, means he was turning sides, and gaping mouth. Gaping meaning is open mouth, and his mouth while breathing, his mouth was opened. Hold him. Then the doctor said hold him, everybody. He gave order to the nurse or the other persons to hold the Bruno. In goes the hypodermic. Hypodermic meaning is he inject the needle in Bruno's body, and by injection the Bruno squeals meaning is cries. And what kind of injection or how much antidote he had given to Bruno, that is 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted, without wasting a drop. Full 10 cc antidote meaning is anti-poison medicine entered into Bruno's body. 10 minutes later, and after 10 minutes the condition was remained same. Unchanged means same, means there was no any change in his condition. Another 10 cc injected, and then more 10 cc was injected through the injection. And 10 minutes later breathing less stertorous meaning is loud and powerful, means now the breathing was getting normal. Bruno can move his arms and legs, and then he had shown some body movement in his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand, but he could not stand at that time also. And after 30 minutes later Bruno gets up. Bruno got up and has a great feed and took a heavy meal as a food. He looks at us. Then Bruno saw towards the author and the doctor disdainfully meaning is disrespectfully, as much as to say, means he saw towards author in such a way that he wanted to say, what's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me, means even a small barium carbonate couldn't do anything on the big black bear like Bruno. Bruno was still eating. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil, and one more situation occurred with Bruno. One more accident happened with Bruno, that is he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which author had drained meaning is taken out from the sump meaning is inner tank of the Studebaker is a old car, means author had taken out the engine oil from the car and was keeping as a weapon, and author has kept this engine oil as a weapon against the inroad of termites. Inroads of termites meaning is against the insects which are eating the wood. He promptly meaning is quickly drank the lot of the engine oil, but it had no ill effect whatever, but the engine oil didn't affect Bruno. The months rolled on. The months had passed, and Bruno had grown many times the size, and Bruno's size has been increased. He was when he came. Before his size has been increased more than the previous size when he came to the author. He had equaled the Alsatians in height, and his height became equal to the Alsatian dogs of the author, and had even outgrown them. Even his height was looking more than the Alsatian dogs. but was just as sweet. But Bruno was loving, sweet, just as mischievous, but he was naughty also. Mischievous meaning is naughty, and just as playful, and he was playful, and he was very fond of us all, and he liked everyone in Arthur's family. Above all, more than every member, he loved Arthur's wife, and she also loved him. She had changed his name, and she changed even Bruno's name from Bruno to Baba, which was a Hindustani word which signifies, which which is used for a small boy, and he could do a few tricks, and even Bruno has learned many tricks. What kind of tricks are these? Like at the command, if someone command him, if someone ordered him, Baba wrestle or Baba box, he vigorously tackled. Vigorously meaning is with full energy faced anyone. Tackled meaning is faced anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. Tumble meaning is fall quickly. Means if someone give him the advice, give him order as Baba wrestle or Baba box, then he would act as he was standing against any person, and try to act as he was fighting with him, he was wrestling with that person, and then he fall quickly on the floor. Give him a stick, and if someone would give him a stick and say, Baba hold gun, then he pointed the stick at you as a gun. Ask him, and if someone would ask him, Baba where's the baby, then he immediately produced meaning is stood, and cradle meaning is like cradle meaning is one kind of a swing used to keep the baby, or one kind of baby's bed. He immediately stood and cradled affectionately a stump of wood, then he hold the stump of wood means he hold the piece of wood lovingly, as someone was holding a baby, which he had carefully concealed meaning is hidden, in his straw bed meaning is the bed made of dry grass. Means when someone would ask him that where's the baby, then he would hold the stick in his arms like we are holding a baby, and he cradled him affectionately, that wood as a baby. But because of the tenants meaning is people who are living on rent, because of their children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained meaning is tied most of the time. Because of the children, Bruno had to be kept tied most of the time. Then my son and I advised my wife. Then Arthur's son and Arthur himself advised his wife, and friends also advised her to give Baba to the zoo, because as he was getting big in size and it was difficult to keep him at home, so they advised her that they should give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. He was getting too big, because he was getting so big that it was difficult for them to keep him at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented meaning is agreed, and at last she agreed hastily meaning is quickly, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator meaning is head of the zoo. Author wrote a letter to the zoo's head. Did he want a tame bear, and in that letter he asked from the head that whether he want a pet bear, tame meaning is pet bear, for his collection means to keep in his zoo. He replied yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry meaning is truck, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off, and Baba was sent to the zoo of Mysore. We all missed him greatly, and after the Baba left, they all started missing him badly, but in a sense we were relieved, but they were free from tension also. Relieved meaning is free from tension. My wife was inconsolable, as she loved Bruno a lot, so it was difficult to console her. She wept and fretted meaning is became unhappy. For the first few days she would not eat a thing. She didn't eat. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator, and then she wrote letter to the head of the zoo, for asking how was Baba. Back came the replies, and then creator wrote back that, well, but fretting, he refuses food too. And he wrote in the letter that Baba was well, but he was also unhappy, and he was not eating food also. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged meaning is requested. And when author's friend had gone to Mysore, then author's wife requested them to make a point of going to the zoo. She requested them to go to the zoo and see how Baba was getting along, how Baba was in the zoo. They reported that he was well. And then they also told author's wife that he was well, but looked very thin and sad. But he was looking very thin as he stopped eating, so he was looking very thin and he was very sad. All the keepers at the zoo, keepers meaning is who are taking care, all the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting, and all were saying that he was unhappy, Baba was unhappy. For 3 months author managed to restrain meaning is stop. Author managed to stop his wife from visiting Mysore, from going to Mysore. But then one day she said, I must see Baba, that she wanted to see Baba. Either author should take her by the car, or she would go herself by bus or train. And by listening this thing, the author had to take his wife by car to Mysore for visiting Baba.